This is the story of a bear and fox spending 3 days and nights at Deadwood Lake. After a night spent sleeping on the side of a mountain road, we came to the site we call the Promised Land. Clear blue water, thick stands of aspens and tall pines all around. The perfect setting for some rest and relaxation. Our long weekend of exploring, fishing, and kayaking left us with great memories, full bellies, and an urge to return soon. Our favorite meal of the trip was grilled pizza, made out of the back of our adventure rig. We started with a fresh dough ball stretched and sprayed with cooking spray. Next came the sauce and the cheese. Pepperoni was our topping of choice. Once that had cooked and melted down, we added fresh garden basil to finish. Each evening around 6, massive thunderstorms sent us into our shelter to enjoy a light show, some bad weather activities like games, reading, and playing guitar.
Talk about it to you. I'm not an open book that you can rifle through. The cold hard truth that you'll see right to. I'm just a basket case without you. He's not a magic man or a perfect fit, but had a steady hand and I got used to it, and a glass cage heart that invited me in. Now I'm just a basket case without him. You're begging for the truth, so I'm saying it to you. I've been saving your place. What good does it do? Now I'm just a basket case. Now I'm just a basket case. I don't say much, it'll stay that way. You gotta a steel train touch, and I'm just the track you lay. So I'll stay right here underneath you. I'm just a basket case, it's what we do. You're begging for the truth, so I'm saying it to you. I've been saving your place. What good does it do? Now I'm just a basket case. Won't somebody come on and tug at my seams? Oh, send your armies and of robbers and thieves to steal the state I'm in. I don't want it anymore. You're begging for the truth, so I'm saying it to you. I've been saving your place. What good does it do? Now I'm just a basket case. Now I'm just a basket case. Now I'm just a basket case. Now I'm just a basket case.
Cool evenings were welcome, with colorful clearing skies and warm fires with hot drinks. Mornings, I found myself fishing for many species of fish found in this high mountain lake, including this cutthroat trout.
Little cutthroat.
With such clear, flat water, we found ourselves paddling for miles, fishing and taking in the sights. Warm sun and stunning mountain vistas made it easy to get lost in the beauty. Wildlife was abundant on this trip, from the thousands of frogs we got to watch and swim with, to bats, owls, eagles, and deer. Some of the wildlife allowed us to get closer than others. After a day on the water, evenings were spent on land, exploring, relaxing, and of course, more fishing. Upon our return to the den, we commemorate the trip with a sticker on our rig for the type of trip and merit badges we earned. This time we earned a forest sticker with fishing and kayaking badges. We can't wait to see what comes next.